When we talk of that creamy, very delicious and easy ice cream recipe, I mean banana ice cream recipe, you have nowhere to go than to stay and then watch this video. This was very creamy, very easy to prepare without any heavy cream. It was so nice, so I decided to share the recipe with you today. Hello exhibitors, welcome back to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. I am so grateful that you clicked on this video. So I have with me here my 2 cups of milk powder, and I've added some water to it. Okay, I will just make sure I mix it very well to get that smooth texture we are looking for. So mix it very well. You can do it other way, which is adding it straight to your ingredients, but with that you have to be very careful. Please do well to go through my other videos to watch my other ice cream recipes, which I know very well you will love them, or any other videos. Okay, you will fall in love with them. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me here. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please do well to follow us on all social media platforms. We share detailed short videos there, which you will fall in love with them. Usually they are less than a minute video or a minute video, but very detailed recipes. I will be very happy if you share our videos and then you like this video for me. Leave me your comment or what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Leave it there and I will read them all. Now we are done mixing everything, and you can see how creamy it looks, very smooth as well. The other side, I have with me here my 5 bananas. Okay, that is 5. Yeah, I have washed it very well, so I will just go ahead and then peel from it before we proceed to the next. So I have another YouTube channel. Okay, I share the recipes in the Tree language, which is our local dialect. Okay, one of our local dialects. And if you want that, or if you don't understand the English, or you prefer that, please do well to follow us on Recipe Goddess. That is our Tree channel. Now I will just put them here after I am done peeling the bananas. Okay, we are going to blend the banana without adding any liquid to it, so no milk, no water, anything. We are going to blend it like that. Should my voice is up or it seems I'm shouting, please forgive me, because I can hear someone making noise, call, which I don't want it to come to the video. Okay, I'm so sorry. So I will peel everything here and then I will just go and blend them very well. When I'm done blending everything, I will get back to you. Thank you so much for your understanding. Now I went backstage and I finished everything. We are done blending it, and just look at what we have. Absolutely perfect. So those black things you are seeing in there are the banana seed. Okay, so please, it's not anything that I added, just the banana seed. Now looking at that alone looks very creamy, right? It looks creamy already. So if you don't have the whipping cream, you can go ahead and use just this. So now what we are going to add is the 2 cups of milk powder we mixed earlier, right from the beginning of the video. That is what we are adding. Add it to it and then give it a stir. You can as well add the milk powder at this time directly than to dissolve it. Okay, but with that you need to mix it very well, because if it is not well mixed, your ice cream tastes different. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. So you can melt it separately before adding it to it if you are a beginner. This is free apple free knowledge I have given you. Okay, yes, melt it first. Now go ahead and then add my condensed milk. With this condensed milk, to be honest with you, it is not very sweet. That is why I poured it your like that. If you don't understand the your, I poured it plenty like that. I added some vanilla extract. Okay, if you don't have vanilla extract, please go on and then add any flavor of your choice. Okay, what I'm pouring now is ice cream base. Okay, so I used 2 cups of ice cream base. The link will be in the description box, so please do watch it. Okay, we are using that because we don't have heavy cream, or if in case you don't have money for whipping cream, okay, you can use that instead. So the link to how you can prepare that will be in the description. I hope you get me. Just look at how creamy it is. So the link to the ice cream base I added to this to become creamy, which is the last ingredient I just added, will be in the description, so that you can watch that if you don't have money for the heavy cream. And even it's not about if you don't have money, you will save money. Yes, now I am going to tie it in my rubber, and then after that keep this in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours depending on the type of freezer you have. You can as well leave it the next day and you will get that perfect outcome. So sweetheart, now we are done with everything, and this is how it looks. Again, those black things, okay, you are seeing there are the banana seed. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.